Today we are performing the experiment about the presence of starch in leaf. My name is Akshita. I am from ZPHS Ganneruvaram. We have to take spirit lamp, iron mesh, beaker, and we have to take the leaf and insert in the beaker and boil it for some time. After some time, remove the leaf from the beaker and insert in the test tube containing methylated spirit and keep in the beaker. As you can see, the leaf is leaving that color, the test tube converts to green color. Remove the leaf from the test tube and keep it on petri dish. Add 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution. You can see the black dots on leaf. It shows the presence of starch in leaf. Close the leaf. This experiment presented by PhD ZPHS Ganneruvaram.